Today, we will briefly tell you about the one step of injection, stretch blow molding machine, referred to as ISBM. This is a collection of injection molding, temperature regulation, stretching, blowing, demolding, for stations in one of the complex functional equipment, compact model and powerful. This ISBM machine is widely used in the production of plastic bottles of various materials, such as high-quality and high-value-added cosmetics, medical packaging with high hygiene requirements, high-end water cups and baby bottles, and so on. It can also be divided according to the material of the bottle. Tritan material, PETG material, PET material, PC material, PP material, and this ISBM machine is suitable for the pharmaceuticals industry, food industry, daily chemical industry, and cosmetics industry. Now, let's look at the ISBM machine, how to work, how to produce the bottles we need. Once this machine is used, there will be no need the additional equipment such as injection machine and mold, blow machine, preform feeder, conveyor belt, welding ring machine and mold. In order to give customers a better experience, we will directly take customers to the equipment factory or shoot videos of the factory to customers, so that customers can enjoy the production of the equipment. Otherwise, in order to let more customers know about our equipment, BFC Publicity Department shoots a number of promotional videos for the equipment, which will be disseminated in English, Spanish, and Chinese. If you still want to know more details about the ISBM machine, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. We will carefully check and try to satisfy your curiosity. Thank you.